y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So as y'all saw by the title, if I titled the video the way I thought I was gonna title it, we're gonna be trying Natori's base. Okay, I don't know if I ate how I was supposed to eat, but y'all, this process was scary. Y'all really just gotta like, this one of them videos where you gotta trust the process for real, because it was a moment where I wasn't even trusting the process. I wasn't even trusting my own process, okay? But as y'all can see, the process turns out good. It's really, the product is really eating. But if you guys are interested in the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Yes, we're gonna be using Miss Natori's famous, infamous, viral base routine, techniques, tips. Yeah, we're gonna really try. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, my hands are ashy. How dare I try to come on here with ashy hands. It's not sponsored. This right here is the best. I love EOS. Okay, look at them hands. Ashy wear, especially the winter months been so rough. What? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, back to the video, Okay, now that I'm done being goofy, hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So as y'all saw by the title, we're gonna be doing a look, some makeup. Do you know who Uche Natori is? I call her Miss Natori for short. That is the base we're gonna be mimicking today. We're gonna try to take some tips from her and mimic them. I did on my TikTok the other day. I don't know if I chewed and swallowed, but I think I might have ate a little bit. I don't know if I chewed and swallowed, but I think I might have nibbled a little bit. But we're gonna do the full tutorial, and I want to do an eyeshadow look. Like, yes, the black women, we got Miss Natori. And do y'all remember Jackie Aina? You just tried to fall. Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration. I got this palette when it was on sale like 3 years ago. I want to do like some type of smoky chocolate lip with a like muted nude lip. I want to do a smoky chocolate look with a muted nude lip using Miss Natori's base techniques. I'm gonna list all the products down below. Woo, that was a mouthful. And my socials will be linked down below as well. Let's get into this beat. Let's really get into this. I'm not gonna do a whole talk through, none of that. It probably gonna be a voiceover or something, but I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's go.
My killers don't tell. Shut down my mark of the New York the shell. Now my bitches Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want.
Please don't come for me. It's my favorite foundation. Yes, it's too dark. Yes, I know. But somehow, by the grace of God, it ends up working out every time. And it's going to work out this time as it do every time. Y'all going to see. Just trust. But I promise one day, y'all, I'm going to go to Sephora and I'm going to get the bright color foundation. I promise. I promise. But today is not the day. You know, when you in the trench, you still got to bear with me. That's all I wanted to say. Please do not chew me up. Thank you. I know I look oompa-loompish. Just trust me.
Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a snicker. I ain't got time for these fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, make that fake ass cold. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I can't run my straight up. Tired ass hoes in my page trying to track us. City girls want platinum. I keep a baby God. I ain't fighting with no random period. You bitches weak, it's just serious. I let him take the pussy, now he acting all delirious. See the dash in the rubbers, I can space the period. You see my number in his phone, now you acting curious. He gon' buy me Uche if I ask for it. He a classy nigga rockin' Tom for it. I bet your little sister wanna look like me. I bet your little brother wanna fuck on me. Hood bitch, hood pussy, I ain't average. He can't come around without that cabbage. Bitch, quick, I can bubble gum. I ain't gonna worry, I just do it for fun. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you could get smashed up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up.
She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it. Bitch, I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches' necks so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog hoe, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass week, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I thought for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga 5 attachments. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch back for that. Come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the girl, I'm everywhere. How you say it so with me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down, cause they can't get up with me. My ex looking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hammer down. Thought he wasn't gonna have to stand up.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, ain't stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get focus on me? Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on? I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the end.
And we are all finished, y'all. I was so scared this wasn't gonna turn out right, but I look good. Yeah, I look good. Are y'all peeped the bust down middle part? No, baby hair is so flat, so clean, so natural, lace melted. By the way, y'all can probably tell this is a closure, but y'all look at the bead. But these lashes, so funny, these lashes come from when I used to sell lashes like 3 years ago. I want to get back into that. I want to get back into my business this year, but feeling really productive. I've been on the TikTok. If y'all got my TikTok, I did like a TikTok of this first. Then I was like, I want to record it on my YouTube too, because I love the way it turned out when I recorded it for TikTok. So add your girl on TikTok. Add your girl on TikTok, add your girl on Instagram. And if I got a Twitter by then, add your girl on Twitter by now. If I have a Twitter when this video is posted, add me on Twitter. All my social medias, all the products will be linked down below. But yeah, y'all, the face, what? I feel like sexy and mature, and this is how I want to do my makeup from now on. Like, her base routine. Like, it's my face, so I can see a difference. I don't know if y'all can see a difference, but Natori got the base on lock, like, period. I'm about to go take some pictures with my G7X. Yeah. The girls be eating.